Hey everyone, I'm the Brick Queen and I'm going to do a LEGO train set review this time. This is the Cargo Railway. This set actually came out in 1996, so it's a pretty old set. It is motorized. I have my control right here. This set came with 7 minifigs and it had 842 pieces. It's a pretty cool set. It's set number 4559 and it does go around that way, and you can also put it in reverse. Let's go ahead and move it close up and I'll show you all the details on it. Okay, here's your 7 minifigs. Got your little octane guy in the green here. There's the little worker guy for the train. And he's got the little train symbol on his vest there. Here's a passenger girl for your train. Another little guy that works on the train. Got like your police chief here. Here's another female passenger. And here's another guy right here. So those are all your minifigs. And right here is a little truck transport thing. You can set the little parts of the train that I'll show you here in a minute. You can set them back here or attach them right here. And he can transport them that way. And you've got a little ramp right here that he can come up, and you can push through that right there, and those just snap open like that for him to come up. I guess really he'd be going up backwards to load the sections onto there. And this is your railing. You've got the metal here and then the actual Lego pieces in the middle. But from right here to right here is one section. As you can see, it's about that long. And here is the front of your train. There's the train symbol there. And that's the side of it. And to get inside of the front, you have to just pop the top off. You can kind of see down in there. And you've got your own like little fueling station here. I can pull this out. There's a little locking mechanism on the top here. You have to lift this up, and then you can slide this all the way out. You can see the octane thing on this side. On this side, you've got like a little fuel pump here, and you can actually pull that out. And these black pieces on the side fold down. If you fold all 4 down, it'll actually set up like that. And then you can just slide it right back in there. And you have to line it up just right, and then you close that back down to lock it back into place, and then you can't move that. And this is your control right here. All this is just decoration. This doesn't do anything. This little green light here shows that I have it plugged in. And this is your big control here. Turn it this way to move forward. And then you can turn it this way to move back. And the further you turn it one way or the other, the faster it goes, of course. Move that out of the way. And these sections come off like this. And see that little hole there? That's where the little truck transport unit I showed you can snap into it and carry it that way. And these sides come open like that. We've got little seats in there for them, little glass on the table there. It just closes back like that and slides right in there. And this one is pretty much the same. You've also got a piece of luggage down in here. Another glass there. And in this unit, of course, you've got the lock there, you lift up, and you've got the black pieces you can set down to actually stand it up. And this one's got the bank symbol on there. And this side's empty, but I believe the other side may have money in it. Yes. A little $100 bill in your little bank there for the train. And the sections actually connect by a magnet right here. You can kind of see the magnet there, and when you move them close enough, they snap together. And here's another little unit that pulls out here. Got some luggage in there. And that's just the other side of that. And that just slides in there like before. And these are the sleeping compartments back here. Again, they open just like the ones in the front. Slide open like that, and you've got 2 beds in each one. And this is the other sleeping unit. It's just like the first one. And you've got like your male one back here. Again, the pegs move down so you can set it up. And that's just the back end of the train there. And these pieces here are what connect to the track to make it motorized. It's actually little Lego pieces, so it's kind of cool that they disguised it that way. But that about does it for our review. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll comment, like, and subscribe.